I'm a guide there. Triple M is a community of people whereby they're helping each other financial donation. It's a peer-to-peer donation, but today I can give you a donation, then tomorrow you can give me. It's like you don't pledge with your house or with anything. You just need your registration and your email to register, an email and your cell phone number. And then what you do is once in a while we just come and give people donations to show how much we care for the community, since it's a community of people helping each other. It's whereby today I give you 1,000, then tomorrow it will be after 30 days it will be 1.3, it goes to 30%. And then I don't know, you can tell me about Ethembeni, how it came about.
Okay. My name is Lucia. Welcome to Ethembeni, Jenny.
Thank you.
And the whole crew from Triple M. Thank you very much for the kind donation that you have given us. Ethembeni is a place of hope, means place of hope. It's a children's home for children from birth to 3 years. So they are here with different problems. Some are abandoned children, some do have parents, maybe parents are in prison or parents are unemployed, so this is why they are here. Our job is just to give them love, and thank you very much, and make sure that the gift that they've given us, we'll make sure that we'll pass it to our children. May God bless you and the whole crew of
May God bless you too. I think you're doing a good job.
Thank you very much.
Right,
thank you. Hope you'll come again.
I will come again.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.